Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can add Dataverse table into our knowledge section and how we can leverage. Okay, so for that, I will need to show you table first. So let me go to make.powerapps.com and I will make sure I'm into correct environment. I'm into dev 1. So I'll go to exact my same environment dev 1 here. Okay, so here I am exactly at my dev 1. I can go to my table and I can go to all, and here I can search for my sales order table. Okay, here you see this is the sales order table, and if you will notice this table, it doesn't have, it simply have few fields like the order number, order rate, total amount, whether the amount is paid or not, a checkbox for that. Okay, now for example, let me do this. Okay, let me copy and let me ask a question like, can you please provide me total amount for this sales order? AMOUNT UNT, and I will hit this enter button. Let's see. So here if you see, your Copilot Studio saying I was unable to locate the total amount in the available resources. If you have access to a specific database, please let me know. I can, otherwise you may need to check your organization sales order. Okay, so it doesn't know from where what to fetch which information. So basically this is nothing, this is my Dataverse table, right? So what I can do in order to support this particular functionality or these kind of prompts, I can go to my knowledge. I'll click on add knowledge. Here again you have a lot of features, but currently we are only going to focus on Dataverse. So I can select my Dataverse, and here if you see this particular documentation, I think it's not a documentation, it is altogether different URL, but yeah, here currently it supports around 15 items. Again, this value will keep changing. Okay, now for now I can search for my sales order table, and you see this is our exact table. I can come here. What I can do in order to make sure, I can go to properties here and let me go to advanced, so I can see CRF98 sales order 1. So this is the exact same table, CRF98 underscore sales order 1. Here also you can preview a data. So we only have 10 records, like it's just a sample dummy table that even I have created using Copilot Studio. In one of the videos even I have showed that. Okay, let me again search sales order because I lost it. Okay, so I will click here. I will say simply add to agent. Okay, so now I will wait for some time. I'll make sure the status field is changed to green. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to overview again. Let me go to knowledge, and what I can do, I can click on this edit button. Okay, all right, I can come back and let me do a hard refresh here. So I'll wait for my knowledge to get added. Okay, so now you see the status is ready now. Okay, now let me ask the same question again. Can you please give me total amount for sales order? Let me search. Now here you see this is reviewing your sales order table from Dataverse. So behind the screens, fetching and everything is being done. Okay, and you see you are getting the exact output 225 dot. Let's go to our Dataverse table, and you see for the sales order 007, okay, the amount is 225, and this is the exact value here. Now the interesting thing here is it will also tell you reference, okay, from where it is exactly fetching this data. So it is simply giving you the output as well. Okay, so I'm fetching this information from here. Okay, all right. So now this is how you can basically leverage Dataverse table into your Copilot Studio. And now in order to make it much more useful or interactive, what you can do, so for example, let me again not this one. You can add multiple tables here as well. Yeah, so I want you to 1 second. Yeah, here this is an interesting thing. Okay, again, see, for example, you can add multiple synonyms, because someone can say, see, the total could be money as well, and you can also say, like total paid value. There could be multiple synonyms for that. In order to use, like your chatbot to give more accurate information, you can add multiple synonyms here. Okay, similarly for every field, you can enter a good description as well. So the more stronger and accurate your description will be, the more accurately the Copilot will give you or will provide you the exact answers, because there could be multiple, tables, column with the same name. So, and even like currently I'm testing this only with one knowledge source, but in real business scenario, there will be multiple. So that's why it is very important to give good synonyms and description, so that your Copilot knows when to use what knowledge source from your agent. So that is all about how you can add your data table to your knowledge source and how you can leverage it. Thanks for watching this video.